So I'm getting ready to cook one of our family's favorites. This is our weekly classic, the classic pasta bolognese. It's got some hidden vegetables. It is great for kids and grown-ups alike when you feel that you need that decadence, that perfect pasta. So come and join me, let's start cooking. Peel and chop the onion and garlic. Peel and grate the carrot. Heat the pan over a high heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Once very hot, fry the beef mince until browned. Then transfer the mince to a pot, preferably one that has a lid. Here a tip. If the pan is looking crowded, you may wish to fry the beef in batches. Add another drizzle of oil to the pan and fry the onion with a pinch of salt for 5 minutes. Then add the garlic and fry for 2 more minutes. Transfer both to the pot with the beef mince. Place the pot over a medium heat and add the grated carrot, tomato paste, brown sugar and white balsamic vinegar. Cook for 3 minutes. Then add the chopped tomatoes, measured water, dried basil, salt and black pepper. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer covered for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, grate the Parmesan. Then bring a large pot of salted water to the boil. Once boiling, add the spaghetti and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until al dente or cooked to your liking. Divide the spaghetti among plates and serve with a generous ladle of Bolognaise sauce. Then top with grated Parmesan and fresh basil leaves. Bon appétit! I can't wait to dig into this beautiful spag bol. It's a classic recipe, very fast to make, and it smells delicious. So I'm gonna do that right about now. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and to find more videos of your favorite classic, click there. Bon appétit!